have new microphones. Hopefully they're working. Hello, hello. This is really hard with you here.
Do you want me to leave?
No, it's okay. I'll be a big girl. I'll do it.
No, because I'm going to go drink tea. And
No, you stay there and unbox.
You stay there.
My Wi-Fi has arrived.
Hello,
Wi-Fi. Wow. Wi-Fi. Actually, I think this is my temporary Wi-Fi. Currently have no signal here, so we are in need of Wi-Fi. So, if you were watching my last video, you would have seen we discovered tiles under the carpet in the porch. And so today, me and Josh are going to try and see how easy it is to clean up the tile because it's got this weird stuff over the top. So that is the job for today. And we're also going to try and set up this Wi-Fi. I'm pretty sure it's not going to be switched on until Monday there, Josh, so... But we could plug it in. The wall in the porch looks terrifying because it's got blackjack on it, which is damp proof. Is that what it is? Damp proof stuff. So that's dry, I think, but if you're wondering what's on the wall, that's what it is, and it's going to be plastered over next week. So that's that. Do you want to come in the video? No? Why don't you come in when I'm doing the tiles?
So, Bjorn, did you have like a bucket? Something?
A
bowl? Why are we doing this with boiling water?
We'll put some cold in first. And it's just so that we get warmer water. Because
the boiler's still on.
It's not on.
It's not scalding?
I don't know, I've got gloves on. Really hot.
That's alright.
Okay.
Take it through. Do you want me to take bucket? You take camera.
Okay.
Should we get this carpet up?
Yeah.
Or should we try it on that patch before?
Let's just try it on a patch, I think.
Wow.
Yay!
That's a tile.
Yes! Just let it soak. If I put loads of water on it and let it soak for a bit,
Yeah.
then it will be less arm work. So it will soften it.
She's the brains of the operation here.
Yeah. See, this is how a girl goes about it. And that was how a boy did it.
Brute force.
It's like taking makeup off, really.
Oh yeah.
Let the cleanser and the makeup remover soak.
Do we want to peel up the stuff around the wall as well?
Oh yeah.
Or the tape?
Yeah. It's dry now, I think.
Well, it'll be dry enough.
This one's a bit hard to get off. Do you want to go into the shed and get one of those scrapers?
You got a scraper?
Yeah.
Scraper?
Maybe I should be wearing gloves that could be thrown away to touch this stuff. Okay.
Oh yeah. Work it. Do you want to shut the door behind you so you can get that up?
Oh, it's got a massive slit in it. In the middle. I wonder what that was from. Ha ha ha! Oop. Oh boy, we've got a lot of work to do. tiles. Oh my god.
You don't want that paint anyway. Whose paint is this?
Ooh, that's satisfying.
You'll be able to see your...
This is so exciting. I don't know why I'm so excited by red tiles.
No, it's brilliant.
For me, it's more like, it's not even like the tile.
It's an archaeological find.
No, well,
It's like a Roman mosaic that you've just uncovered.
No, it's more like, oh, that's a saving for me. I don't have to buy tiles.
Yeah. Miss Frugal Caldwell.
Yeah. Be here a while. No one's breaking in though.
I was breaking out either. No. Well, for what it's worth, very cinematic. Whoa, less cinematic.
It's very wobbly.
Smooth.
Do you reckon this is just like sandy paint?
Maybe. Or just some like really cheap glue.
Do you want me to do that bit that's soaking that you're standing on?
Oh, I quite like standing on it.
Shall I scrape it? Come on.
I can scrape it.
Okay.
You take the good scraper.
Is this a good one?
Yeah.
This is the one I have been using every single day here. Maybe I should get you a pair of work trousers.
Oh, I did actually bring some with me.
Did you actually?
Yeah, the pair I normally use when I'm on jobs. I'm sorry. We were swimming, and I didn't pack them. That's your problem, Josh. You don't think. Thanks, Rosie.
You're gonna make me seem like a really horrible person.
Plot twist: Rosie's actually a horrible person.
I'm not.
She's not. She's all right.
I love that. We're probably saying all this, and the mics are probably not going to be working at all.
It looks like mine's on. Do you want to go back and check some footage?
Ooh, that one curled up like a nice bit of chocolate.
Or like those brain rot videos of people making that like spread ice cream on a cold plate.
Yeah, like they do in those.
They're always in like shopping malls.
Centres,
Yeah. I think that's like one of the last things I'd want to get in a shopping centre.
Really? I was kind of tempted to get one once.
First thing to get in a shopping centre, out of there. Oh my god, got to get out of there. Way too much going on.
Yeah.
Number
I
two.
don't like shopping centres anymore.
That curled ice cream. There was a phase where you were a big shopping centre girly.
Well, yeah, when I was a teenager, I loved the shopping centre.
I guess they've got all the shops.
Yeah, they did. They had, River Island. That was a big, when I was young.
You had a Top Shop, an H&M.
They had a Top Shop.
Oh yeah, it is a lot better when it's wet.
Yeah.
I will stop.
Yeah.
Oh, God, my knees.
Don't walk in the wet bit.
I'm a mess.
You're a liability.
I'm a mess. I think a lot of it does need another layer of soaking. Yeah.
I'm starting to get a little bit bored of this.
You've done, I think, maybe at a push, an eighth of the place. And that's me being really generous. See, I think I'm enough of a pleb to just sit here and like do this for hours.
No, the thing is,
be like,
I will get really into it and then I'll stop and then I'll be like, oh, actually, I'm into it again. And I just got to complain about it whilst doing it.
Does it feel better to complain about it?
Sometimes.
That's good. No, I'm out of ideas.
I need to bend my knees the other way for a minute.
Come on, soft, turn the key and cooler on. This a pause for relief. Free pass, don't even have to ask to be the cat in the sun. Someday I will see the whole deal through. Today I've got better things to do. To leave a little bit undone and be the cat in the sun. Be the cat in the sun. Set aside.
This is how far we've got in a day. We're now just looking at the tiles.
Sorry.
Your microphone's on, just to remember.
Yeah, I'm just
remind
running,
you.
but I found a screw.
Have you? Well
It'll come
done.
out. Thanks, Rosie.
Okay, we've managed to scrub most of the tiles, and now we're just looking at the tiles with the rest of this stuff still in it to see what it would look like if we put a lighter grout in it or not. I'm not decided on which I would prefer. Okay, so I'll take a picture of this on my phoneo. Where's my phoneo? Nearly done.
Right, you start that side, I'll start this side.
Okay.
And we'll be home by dark.
Set aside every empty spreadsheet line and loosen up on the grind. Simmer down, settle back and mess around.
Yeah, he slipped on the floor.
Gross. Great content.
I so nearly left this audio in because it was hilarious, but you really couldn't hear what I was saying. And Josh was wearing his microphone, I was wearing mine, he was somewhere else clearing out the bucket, and you just couldn't hear me. But we've got pretty much all of that stuff off the tiles now, so I've put the carpet back on top, and I will finish them properly once the plaster has been and that wall has been fixed. The next few days we did some garden clearing and went to an antique shop. Stop it. Ha! That's pretty furniture. It does fit.
Really matches the vibe.
Be the cat in the sun. Someday I will see the whole deal through. Today I've got better things to do. Okay.
All she does is make me work. Haven't eaten in 4 days. Clear the garden, sweep the garden, dig the garden, move this here, carry this for me. I'm so hungry. Please, if you're hearing this, send help. Our address is...
To leave a little bit undone. Be the cat in the sun. Be the cat in the sun.
At the end of the week, I went to some shops to get some ideas, pick up some more paint samples. I went to Relics of Whitney, which is one of my favourite decorating shops. And then I've also been trying out the odd mattress here and there, seeing which one I'm going to want to go with. I was really interested in how the natural mattresses had been made. It was nice to see such sustainably made mattresses. But I did go to some other places, so I don't know where I'm going to get my mattress from eventually. I also went via Burford Garden Centre. I loved this red bistro set. It was quite expensive though. And they also had some nice sheds out the back. So I had a wander, fell in love with this shepherd's hut. Oh, I took a trip to Station Mills, managed not to buy this in the end because it definitely needed something to sort out the varnish smell, but it would have been the perfect size for my porch. Anyway, that's the end of this week's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one.